Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing a quick video today on my 98 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Doing the rear diff service today. It's equipped with the Chrysler 8 1/4 rear end, as you can see on the Felpro gasket. I also went with the AMSOIL 75W90. I got two of them. I believe it takes about 1.4 to 1.6 liters for the full flush. Here are the tools I'll be using. Catchman, obviously, to catch the old fluid. Drill with the wire wheel bit to clean the cover and the casing. Water brush just in case. Razor blade to scrape off if anything sticks back. Impact gun, I'm going to try to squeeze that in. I have the ratchet 3/8 just in case. Little extension, and this takes a 13 mil. Here's a close-up of inside the casing here. Now, for a truck that's got about 280,000 kilometers, this is my second diff service since I've owned it. There's definitely some wear on the gears as well as the spider gears inside there, but nothing to alert me of a rebuild. At least not for now. In the foreseen future, possibly, but with routine service and fluid flushing and everything like that, for now, we should be okay, thank God. Next, we're going to be cleaning the diff cover here. We have the old gasket to scrape off, as well as clean all the old oil inside and around it. Before installation, I also recommend cleaning the bolts, whether it be just with some brake clean and a rag, but these have a little bit of silicone on them. I'm going to run them through my wire wheel here and clean them all up, get them ready for install. So as far as the tightening sequence goes, rule of thumb is crisscross, always opposite of each hole, so the gasket sits flush. Okay, I'm gonna have a diagram and it'll show you exactly how to tighten it, the sequence, and torque specs if you're into that. It's about 15 foot-pounds. Rule of thumb for me is just bottom of the bolts and then a quarter turn. It's always been enough. So just by hand, and then we'll go with the sequence of crisscross once all the bolts are hand tight. So once you start to see it pour out like this, you've reached the top. So this wraps up the video, guys. Diff service on a 98 Jeep Cherokee XJ with a Chrysler 8 1/4 rear end. The job went overall pretty well. It was a little messy. The fluid was a lot more worn than I expected, but thankfully no metal chunks or shards were in the oil, and the diff does not need to be rebuilt or given any extra attention just yet. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this on my Jeep, my Duramax, my Camaro, or any other project vehicles. Thanks.